And good afternoon. This is Susan Jackson filling in for Adam for today's afternoon update while he is out of town attending his daughter's wedding. And we here at Market Club would like to send our congratulations out to the happy couple. So this is your update for Thursday, June 2nd, 2011. So let's jump into the markets. So silver, yesterday Adam pointed out that we are in a trading range for this market. And it wasn't looking terrible, but today has really proven to be a bad one for the silver market. And we're down the better part of 3% in today's trading. And Market Club's trade triangles have downgraded this metal to a -70. You'll notice the monthly trade triangle is still up for the month, but things aren't looking so great for silver. It'll be interesting to see Adam's take on silver next week when we get back to Market Club TV. We'll see how it's doing then. Let's go over to the gold market. Now gold is doing better than its counterpart, luckily for gold bugs. However, we did see action retreat from the highs yesterday, and we are down so far on the day. Looks like 0.75%. The S&P, not such a great day yesterday after the bad economic news. The S&P is still trading at the lower end of the range, and at a -60, we're still in sidelines mode for the S&P. Now taking a look at crude oil, today we're trading lower in crude oil, and although the overall trend is still up, we're holding steady right in the midsection of the Dantian channel in that market. Now we're going to take a look at today is an update on Market Club's perfect portfolio. Now the perfect portfolio is a portfolio that Adam put together. It's already diversified. It's only 4 stocks, or 4 ETFs, excuse me, and it's great if you are interested in trading your IRA or your 401k. It's a more conservative strategy. Oh, let me just grab that portfolio. So let's see. So the markets we're looking at in the perfect portfolio are the USO, which is the United States Oil Fund. That's going to be tracking crude oil. The FXC, which is the Euro Trust. That's tracking the euro. GLD, the Gold Trust. And SPY, which tracks the S&P 500. So just taking a look at the FXC, which is the one that tracks the euro. We had a monthly. I'm just going to take a look at the last few trades since the monthly trade triangles. Let me take all these trade triangles off the screen. You can see the monthly right here. We had a monthly at 137.91 on March 1st. We were out, then I'm going to put my weeklies on. We get out on the weeklies with this strategy. You can see we took it all the way into May where we were out at 141.02 for a gain of 311. And right now we are back in at 143.56. Now the open gain of about 31 cents. Overall up about 342 in the FXC. Now if you want the report on the on the perfect portfolio so you can get more information, you can always go to ino.com/PRP and request that report. And you can also email us at marketclubtv@ino.com to get a copy of that. We'd be happy to send it out to you. Now the next market we're going to look at is GLD, the Gold Trust. We had a monthly in this market at 139.54, also on March 1st. We were out at 135.73, had a small loss of 381, back in at 140.61, and we've been in since, looking at an open gain of about, or overall gain of about 519, open gain of $9 in this trade. So this one's looking pretty good. Now moving on to the USO, we're at a +55. So we're in sidelines mode. We're waiting on this one for another weekly trade triangle. Now you can see, let me just zoom out a little bit. We had, I'm going to put just the monthlies on. We had a monthly trade triangle in November, getting us in at 37.15. And we had a couple kind of whipsaw trades. Am I looking at the right one? Sorry about that. We had a couple of whipsaw trades. We had a loss of 298. Then we were back in on February 22nd at 39.01. Out, let me put these trade triangles on here so you can see them. Out at 42.10 with an overall profit of 309. And right now we are on the sidelines as of May 5th. I'm waiting to get back in on that weekly trade triangle. Overall profit of about 11 cents. So not so great, but not a loss. That's a good thing. And lastly, we're going to take a look at the SPY. Just wait for that chart to come up. We had a monthly at 113.20 on September 14th, 2010. We were out at 129.70, a nice gain of 16.50. And then we had 2 trades for a loss of about 386. So overall, a gain of 1264. So we are on the sidelines in the SPY and just waiting for that weekly triangle to get back in. This has been a really profitable portfolio for us. And if you want the report just to see exactly how profitable it has been, like I said, you can just go to ino.com/PRP or email us at marketclubtv@ino.com. And I will once again be filling in for Adam tomorrow afternoon. So I look forward to speaking with you then. But this is Susan Jackson. I hope everyone has a great Thursday afternoon and have a great day.